السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My Islamic brothers, recite الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله. الصلاة والسلام عليك يا نبي الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا نور الله. I have been given a golden opportunity to speak on Seerah of Prophet Muhammad. Beginning my speech, let's begin with the excellence of Durud Pak. The Prophet of peace, the Prophet of mankind, our beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam states that if any person recites upon me Durud Pak one time, then Allah Azza wa Jal sends upon him 10 rahmah, 10 mercies. My Islamic mother just thinks, what we are reciting? We are telling sallallahu alaihi Muhammad, and our Rabb Azza wa Jal is sending upon us 10 miracles, 10 mercies. We should recite Durud Pak on our Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Make a habit to recite Durud Pak upon Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam at least 330 times a day. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As the ummah of beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the best ummah. In this ummah there are great of personalities. One of those is Gausi Azam radiyallahu ta'ala. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani was born in Jilan on the first eve of Ramzan on Friday. His father's name was Sayyid Abu Saleh Musa Jangir Bose and his mother's name was Sayyiduna Ummul Khair Fatima radiyallahu ta'ala. At the birth, the age of her mother was 60 years. Just think 60 years. Usually a woman cannot reproduce at that age. But all mothers who give birth at the age of Gausipa gave birth to a baby boy. And not only this, who gave birth at the time of when Gausi Azam was born, they were wali of Allah when they grew up. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani was a graceful man of appearance. He had a medium height and broad and wide chest and a long beard with broad complication. His voice was loud and he had an extremely beautiful looks and he was intelligent. He is descendant of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from both sides. He is Hassani from his father's side and Hussein from his mother's side. Our Huzur Gausi Pak radiyallahu ta'ala was not like other children who were fooling around, who were making their times in playing. From a tender age, he spent his time in the remembrance of Allah Azza wa Jal, and instead of joining the other children, he thought to remembrance of Allah Azza wa Jal. When he thought to play or join the other children, then from the unseen, a voice would hear that, "Come towards me, O blessed one." At first, on hearing this voice, he was afraid and he went to his mother and sat on her lap. But after the time passed, he became accused to the voice, and instead of going to his mother, he abandoned the thought of playing and occupying himself in the remembrance of Allah. There was a very miraculous event occurs on the birth of Gausi Pak. The Huzur Gausi Azam, Hazrat Sayyiduna Shahabuddin Shahrwati quoted the following miracles in the distinguished book Manaqib-e-Ghausiyya. He quoted that on the eve of birth of Huzur Gausi Azam, his father Sayyid Abu Saleh saw in his dream the beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who gave him the following clarity that, "O Abu Saleh, Allah Azza wa Jalla has blessed you with a pure son, and he is my beloved and the beloved of Allah Azza wa Jalla, and he is the most exalted among the Awliya and Nektar." Secondly, he quoted that Almighty Allah has granting to his parents in their dream that their son will be Sultan of Awliya, and who will oppose him will be Gumrah or misled. By this, I conclude my speech. Assalamu alaikum.